Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 31 Barn Lane. This is an extended 3-bedroomed property with off-road parking here at the front and a good sized garden to the rear. Okay, then moving into the property, we have the porch which leads into this hallway where we have the stairs going up to the first floor, and there's also a built-in understairs storage cupboard. And then we have 2 reception rooms and the dining kitchen. So first reception room here at the front of the property. So a good sized bay window here. Then an attractive gas fireplace. And then moving across into the second reception room. And this room has been extended to create a really good sized living space, which has a enveloped window as well as double doors leading out into the garden. And then into the kitchen. So ample space here for a table and chairs. And the door into the ground floor shower room. Again, this room has been extended. So a good deal of space. Another door out to the garden and a window to the rear aspect. And then we have a kitchen with integrated dishwasher, washing machine, cooker and gas hob. And then we have the ground floor shower room with wash basin, WC, and corner shower cubicle. Again, there's a developed window in here as well. Okay, then up onto the first floor, we have the landing area with loft access above. We have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor. Starting with the bedroom here at the front of the property. So this room having an aspect here to the front. And then across to the second bedroom. And this room overlooks the rear garden. And then we have the third bedroom. And through to the bathroom, where we have WC, wash basin and bath with shower above. Okay, and then just moving out into the garden, and we have a raised decked seating area which leads along to the main lawned garden with fenced and hedged boundaries. And then going down towards the rear, and then just looking back at the property. So that concludes the online viewing for this one. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.